I know. But you know what? You mentioned the pet adoption.
I can't wait. This is the best thing ever, please.
Probably no greater act of love than saving a life.
100 animals are no longer homeless.
Get a Pet, the magazine. What is Get a Pet? Please welcome Michael West. Welcome, Michael. Thank you,
What it boils down to is in this country, close to 12 million animals each year are destroyed in shelters. And when I found that out, I was appalled, and I realized that we had an opportunity here to put together a publication that was really going to make a difference.
Over the last 15 years, we've seen some pretty incredible developments take place in the state of the animal welfare community. But even though there have been some advances, we see how there are still things that can be done better. My name is Michael West, and this is my brother Mitch. From 1995 to 1999, we published Get a Pet magazine. What we did was photograph the animals at every animal shelter, humane society, and rescue organization in Southern California. Get a Pet was published every 2 weeks. Typically, we had about 1,500 adoptable animals in each issue. GetAPet.com promotes the only responsible method of acquiring a pet, and that's adoption. There are a number of rescues that have fabulous animals, and they don't have to go to the pet store, and they don't have to go to a backyard breeder.
One of the most common mistakes that people make when they adopt an animal is they do it based on impulse. A lot of times those animals end up back in the shelter. Sometimes it can just be disastrous.
We've actually identified 3 critical areas where we can see the opportunity to offer some major solutions.
One of these programs are the world's largest pet adoption fairs. We've done these fairs in the past, and typically 150 animal groups will bring out in excess of 3,000 animals. These events are very successful. They end up getting universal media coverage. We're able to drive a significant amount of funding towards the animal groups that participate in these events.
So let's talk about funding, because that's another key component in Get a Pet's strategy.
We could save so many more dogs if there were abilities to get funding and donations through a website.
The shelters and rescues that are on the front line are constantly struggling to try and raise funds to be able to continue to help the animals. Every single Get a Pet program is designed to help drive funding to the animal groups that participate. The third and final component, and the one that we're most excited about, is the website itself.
Unlike most pet adoption websites that present thousands of animals from all over the country, at GetAPet.com, even though we have hundreds of thousands of animals, you can filter your search to only show animals within a few miles of your home. This saves you a ton of time and makes finding your perfect pet that much easier. Next, we help you find the best breed for your family before you adopt. Sadly, many pets are adopted on impulse, like after watching a movie featuring a cute breed. While these pets may be cute on camera, they may not suit your particular family in real life. Sadly, many impulse adopted pets end up back in the shelter, which can be traumatic for all involved. At GetAPet.com, you can use our free breed matching tool to find out which breeds have the best temperament for your family before you adopt, saving you and the Doggy Star lookalike a lot of time and heartache. GetAPet.com will also be the most usable site for shelters across the country. With millions of anticipated users, animal organizations can maximize their exposure and gain much-needed support. Every shelter's dedicated page will include a link to their blog, a pop-up window for donation page, and space to tell their story. Get a Pet will even highlight their fundraising efforts using methods never seen before in the industry. At GetAPet.com, we've made finding the perfect pet a whole lot easier.
I know it sounds like a cliche, but we can change the world.
We can't do it without your help. If you can contribute, please give what you can. So tell your friends on Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media outlets, and help us to bring Get a Pet to life so that we can go on to save lives.
GetAPet.com. Innovations that save lives.